Introducing the Series PFD pneumatic frame clamp from PhD. The PFD is designed to deliver consistent, high clamping force across a wide-powered window, providing reliable and consistent performance for demanding frame welding applications. With a clamping force of up to 4,581 pounds or 20.4 kilonewtons, the PFD helps maintain part position and reduce weld distortion throughout the process. Its wide jaw throat opening and multiple jaw styles make it easy to accommodate large workpieces with simple tooling. The PFD can also serve as a direct replacement for competitor clamps, offering improved usability, performance, and durability. Weld covers come standard, protecting the clamp mechanisms in harsh welding environments. The modular jaw design allows jaws to be removed quickly and easily for modification or replacement. Simply remove the jaw fasteners, remove the top cover bracket, and replace the jaw as needed. The PFD also includes several design features that simplify maintenance and installation. Grease zerks on both jaws allow lubrication of the main pivot pin for extended life, while proximity switches for open and closed sensing can be installed and adjusted with a standard hex wrench. A robust cam design delivers consistent high clamping force throughout the operating range, helping prevent weld distortion. L and N style jaws provide different widths between jaw mounting surfaces, giving users flexibility when designing tooling for different applications. The PFD also offers multiple mounting options. With the weld covers removed, mounting holes are accessible for easier installation and clamp removal. Threaded and enlarged dowel pin holes, top mounting holes, and backside mounting holes provide additional flexibility. In frame welding applications, customer-engineered tooling can be applied to both high-force Mongo clamps and PFD frame clamps to ensure optimal weld line coverage and force requirements. The Series PFD pneumatic frame clamp delivers strength, flexibility, and serviceability for demanding welding environments. This optimization from PhD generates less downtime and more profitability for your welding applications. PhD, empowering automation.